So this is an introduction or a refresher on how to use GoFormative, which you might be using in your math class as well as other classes. So I'm just going to go over a couple of the key features in this short video. So for this particular assignment, it should look very similar to what you see as a student. I have 5 questions that I need to answer, and currently I have answered none of them because they have this white circle. And up here I can see how many questions I need to do, and some of them are on auto grade, so I'll know immediately how many points I have for the questions that are being graded automatically. So this first question is going to be graded automatically for me, and if you needed to see this picture a little better, you could zoom in on it to help you see a figure. But I want to know what songs appeared on Guardian of the Galaxy soundtrack. So because this is in squares, that means it's a multiple select question. So you could choose more than one option. So I'm going to choose Mr. Blue Sky, and you might notice that I now have orange over here. I want to get it to green. And over here it has a quarter of a point. I'm going to choose Brandy as well. And now I have half of a point, and this has gone to yellow. I don't want to stop until I get green. If I choose Thriller, my answer points go down to a quarter of a point. So Thriller was not correct. I'm starting to lose points. This answer choice is correct. Notice my points went up. Wake Me Up, Lord. Oh, that's incorrect. My points went down. I'm back to yellow over here. And here it looks like I have green. Oh, I do have green, but my points, I don't have the full amount of points yet. So the green can be a little bit misleading. Make sure you also have all the points possible. My Sweet Lord is also on there. So I now have 1 out of 1 point. So when it's on auto grade, we would like to encourage you to keep trying the question until you get the question right and it's green. If you can't figure it out and you need some extra help, you can click on this little blue icon and you can send a message to your teacher to ask for help. You can type here and send it, or you can either add an audio, emoji, image, math type, or video if you needed to as well to help explain or ask your question to your teacher. And then it will send him or her a message up here and alert them that you need help on that specific question. Another type of question you might do is just a regular multiple choice. So my answer to this is, if I want to join the band of Misfits, let me sleep on it. And you'll notice this one is just in blue, so it is not being auto-graded. Your teacher might leave you a comment back on it. You might just get an effort grade for it, but it's not being auto-graded right or wrong, so you don't know if your answer is right or not. And for this particular question, it seems like it's more of an opinion question anyways. Question 3 says music makes every task more bearable. And again, that one's more of like, what's your opinion? So I'm going to choose false, and it's still blue. Even if I were to change it to true, my answer choice is still blue. I don't know if that's right or not. It's not being auto-graded. Other types of questions you might be asked to do in math are show your work questions. So you click on the show your work button, and you can draw with your mouse numbers if you need to. You can also use the line tool. You can change your colors. That's sometimes helpful. You can insert a text box. And you can also insert a picture here. So I sometimes find it useful to do the work on a separate sheet of paper, take a picture of it, and then just attach the picture. It might be easier than trying to draw on the actual computer with a mouse. So you would just upload it from your computer or your Google Drive, wherever you save the picture. And that's pretty easy to do from a mobile device as well. And here's another show your work that has an image already there, and then you might be adding to the image. So I might go in and say who this is. Oops. Oops. Oh, that's crap. And then you could submit your answers. Don't forget to do that so that you get credit for finishing the assignment.